Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with an exciting announcement. Christmas came early at Shabby Fabrics when we received this beautiful tote and water bottle designed just for you. This has been one of the most requested things we've heard from customers. When can we get Shabby Fabrics bags and water bottles and other swag? Well, it's here. It's beginning. This beautiful bag, printed in such a pretty pink, has something on all four sides of the bag. It's just beautiful, and it's nice and vinyl, so you can wipe that down. Great for grocery shopping. Even if you get it wet, wipe it down, dry, good to go again. Water bottle. We all need to be hydrated. Why not be hydrated in style? Of course. This is a beautiful metal bottle here. It is such a pretty top here as well, the way it opens. And I love, of course, all the expressions, the quilt blocks, and of course the Shabby Fabrics logo. Fun things to read out loud, like a messy house is a sign of a happy quilter. Behind every quilter is a stash of fabric and many fun expressions. This swag is something we made for you after so many requests. Well, what else should we do? We would love to hear your comments, and we will be reading every single one of them. If we start seeing the same thing, hearing the same thing, you can know we're going to get busy in trying to produce that for you. And if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, do that right now and bring your friends along. As you know, this is the place to learn new techniques, fun block of the months, clubs, and so much more. So head to the website now to pick up your tote bag, your water bottle, and we can't wait to read your comments on YouTube.